Have you ever been in a situation where you have the perfect story and you're ready to assign it to a teammate, but they don't pop up in the assignee field? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you 2.5 reasons why this is happening, and hopefully it solves your problem. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, make sure you hit that like button, and let's jump into it. So here I am inside of a Jira ticket, and I am ready to assign this story to someone. But when I go to the assignee field, and I try to assign it to someone, their name just simply doesn't pop up. So, why is this happening? Well, the answer is a little involved, and usually your Jira admin is the person to troubleshoot, but let's assume that you're the Jira admin or that at least you have the power to troubleshoot. And so I'm going to give you 2.5, maybe 3. We'll see where we go with this video, but I'm going to give you a few helpful tips to help you troubleshoot and fix this particular problem. So the first thing you want to check in the project is, does the user have the can be assigned permission? Because if they do not have that, you're not going to get very far. So let's take a look at where to find that one. So inside of your project setting, you're going to click on the ellipses here, and you're going to go to project setting. You do not want to click on add people. That's going to invite people, but we're checking the permissions. So we need to go to the project settings here, and then we need to go to permissions. Once you are inside permissions, this is going to give you an insight. And we're going to look at two permissions here. The first is the assignable user permission. So we want to make our way down and get to this assignable user. Users with this permission may be assigned issues. So that's what we want to do. So now we got to look over on the right-hand side, and what does this say? Sometimes it's going to be restricted to maybe a specific group or maybe a specific role or maybe specific users. So whatever user you're trying to assign a story to, you need to make sure that they meet the qualifications here on the right. And if they don't, well, you are going to have a hard time, because if you don't meet the qualifications or the criteria for this particular permission, assignable user, you're not going to get very far. But let's assume that they are an assignable user. And so that should fix the problem, okay? But remember I told you at the beginning, 2.5? Well, while you can assign work to them, awesome, you now have opened up a new problem. And that is, if they can't browse the project, so you got to scroll up for this one. And so over here on the browse, if they don't meet the qualification here, while you do have the ability to assign a story to them, that user won't be able to see the story because they don't have the ability to see the project. So you want to make sure they have both. The main one is going to be that assignable one, but also double check the browse projects, because if those two aren't set, that user is going to have a less than ideal experience. Now, I'm going to give you a bonus tip while we're here. And so inside of your permissions, you can scroll all the way to the top and you have a permission helper. And if you click on this button and you put the user's name, and so I'm going to try to type in somebody's name here, see who I have. And then if I click on the issue, so you do need to have a sample, so preferably that story you're trying to assign, you can go to the permission and select what you're trying to do. And in this case, I'm going to scroll down and find that assignable user. And when I click submit, Jira is going to tell me either yes, check marks and the status, this is not a problem. So I picked a bad example, but you're probably going to have a nice little X. And that X is then going to give you some insight into where you should go look. So follow those instructions, and most of the time, 9 times out of 10, it's going to be that assignable permission that that user doesn't have it. Let's assume that we fixed all this, right? Let's assume that this is all correct and we still can't assign a user. And the problem though shifts a little bit, right? Because as a Jira admin, I'm asking very specific questions, because one of the problems that people usually bring to me is, hey, I can't assign ticket to Billy. I'm like, cool, but can you assign it to Jimmy? Or can you assign it to Sally? Because if you can assign to other users, then the problem is most likely going to be what we just described. But if the user comes back and says, you know what, I actually can't assign it to Sally or Timmy or Billy or anybody else, then the problem is bigger. And so we're going to go take a look at that problem. And so back in Jira, this is something that your Jira admins have to do. So this is not something that a project admin is going to be able to do. So unless you have full Jira admin privilege, you're not going to be able to do this step. So maybe send this video over to your Jira admin. And so you're going to click on the gear up on the top. You're going to go to system. And once you're inside a system, we're looking for global permissions here on the left. And so we click on that one. And now we are looking for browse users and groups. And you need to make sure that the person, this is very key, the person clicking the assignee button needs to be in the group. Not the assignee, not the person that needs to be assigned the story, but rather the person clicking and doing the assignment. And so that individual needs to be in a group that is governed by this one. Because usually what happens if a scrum master or project manager, if they click on that assignee button and they can't see names, it's not that the person doesn't have that assignable permission that we just covered, but rather the person doing the assigning doesn't have this global permission to be able to browse the users and groups. And this is important because if they can't see any names, then it's probably going to be this problem. Okay, so that's your tip number 2. And so we have a third and final tip, and that is going to be the least obvious and the one that's the hardest to troubleshoot, but one that if you're a Jira admin should be pretty generally easy. And I'm going to show you how to fix that one as well. But the third and final troubleshooting step is, does that end user, that person we're trying to assign a story to, do they have a Jira license? Do they exist in Jira? And again, for regular users, that might not be obvious, but for your Jira admins, this is something we can go check. So let me show you how to do that one. So as a Jira admin, and actually you need to be at least a site or org admin to be able to do this. So it's not even just a Jira admin, you will need site and or org admin. You're gonna click on that gear and we're gonna go to user management. Once there, we're gonna be redirected to admin.atlassian.com. Now, this is important because in the cloud, especially if you're migrating from data center to the cloud, things work a little bit differently. So in the cloud, you are going to manage your users and you manage your licenses not inside of Jira, but rather inside of admin.atlassian.com. So you're going to find your particular user you care for, and you're going to just make sure that under Jira, they have the user role. This basically makes sure that that user has a license. If it doesn't have user, right, if you have something like that, then that's not good. So if they don't have a Jira license, then it's going to be kind of hard to assign a story to somebody that doesn't exist in the eyes of Jira. So that is that third and final step. This is my last resort because if step 1 and 2 didn't work, and then it's most likely going to be step 3. But again, this is the one that's going to be reserved for those site and org admins. So you need the most amount of privilege, but the probability that it's this is much, much smaller. But I've seen it all. And this is something that is possible, especially if step 1 and step 2 didn't solve it. Most of the time, however, step 1 should be enough. The user is not in the assignable permission, and then because of that, you can't assign something. But some troubleshooting help. Hopefully this video is valuable to you. If it is, make sure you smash that like button, and we're trying to get to 100,000 subscribers. So if you haven't hit that subscribe button, now's the time to smash that subscribe button down below. And finally, if you are still struggling even after watching this video, I have partnered up with my good friends over at ReleaseTEAM. They are a gold solution partner, and they are here to help you out with your Jira problems. So check out that link down in the description and reach out to my good friends over at ReleaseTEAM. Let them know that I sent you, and they're going to be more than happy to help you figure out your permissions. Maybe you got to tweak your permissions further or deeper or more complicated than what we've covered in this video. So reach out to my good friends over at ReleaseTEAM. Thanks. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.